Good afternoon, this is Kyle and David with Western Material Handling. Today we're here and excited to test drive stock number 2425. Excellent operating Terex TA30N articulating boom lift. David's going to give us a quick demonstration real fast. There's the reach function already all the way out. Now he's taking it all the way up. Now he's going to take the riser all the way up. This unit has excellent non-marking solid pneumatic tires with a max lift height of 30 feet of straight vertical lift and 20 feet to either side. Has tested good 48 volt battery system with a built-in 110 volt battery charger. This unit has had recent repairs, new PM service, and a brand new paint job, therefore ready for work. You can check out this forklift online at abetterforklift.com or stop by either store in Denver or Fort Collins. We appreciate it very much for watching. Thank you.